Hello friends, today we're going to be drawing a very cute picture of a butterfly. Let's get started. We're going to begin by grabbing a pencil, and if you want the same one, look in the description. We're going to draw a nice big circle. There, doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to draw two smaller circles inside. Next, we're going to draw two smaller circles for the highlight. And go ahead and fill that in. There, now we have two cute eyes. Next, we're going to draw a little smile for the butterfly. And two eyebrows. None of this has to be perfect, just follow along and don't be hard on yourself. Then draw two little antennas just like that and two circles on top. Then you want to fill in the circles just like that. Next, we're going to go to just about here to begin drawing the body. And draw two curved lines down. Then you're going to continue that line down and sort of curve it a little bit. And connect the two lines with a smiley face. There, you've drawn the body. Next, you're going to draw a little line on the side just like this for one wing. And go to the same place on the other side and draw a little line for the other wing. Wonderful. Next, we are going to continue drawing the wing by drawing a little curve. Just like that. And then find 2 points on the side of the body and connect to the wing on both sides there. Next, you're going to find 2 points in the middle of the wing and mark them just like this, and we're going to draw 2 lines coming out of there. They're easy peasy. Then find 2 other points like this and draw a smiley face between them, connecting the wings. There, look, the butterfly is almost done. Then you're going to draw a smiley face right here for the body and another smiley face right there. Perfect. You're almost done. Now just draw a circle in each of the wings. Third circle right there, and one more circle right there. Perfect! Look at that! You finished a butterfly! I hope that you will join me again for more fun videos and let me know what you want to draw next.